This 5-minute solution will show you how to bulk delete Facebook post at once. If you have uploaded lots of posts or photos, videos, captions to your Facebook profile and now you want to delete all of them at once, follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, open your Facebook profile. Once you are in your profile page, tap on this three dot and here tap on activity log. Tap on your activity across Facebook and tap on post. And here you will get these options. If you want to delete your post check-ins, photos and videos, then tap on it. And here you will get all of your Facebook post. Now to delete all of them at once, we need to select all of them. To do that, tap on all to select all posts at once. Once you've selected all of them, now tap on trash. Tap on continue. After selecting all of your posts, you have to tap on this trash box at the bottom. And tap on move to trash. And it may take some time to process all of your changes. Once done, all of your posts will be removed from your Facebook profile and all posts will be stored in this trash folder. And from trash folder, it may take up to 30 days to remove or delete all posts permanently. So this is how we can actually delete our all posts from Facebook at once. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.